Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited. We're taking a look at an awesome lightweight travel trailer, and it is a brand new floor plan from Primetime. This is a 2021 Primetime Tracer model 29RL. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features, then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about this travel trailer and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from MattsRVReviews, Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you 3 things we love and 3 things we don't love about every RV that we review. And again, today I am super excited to be taking a look at a brand new floor plan from Primetime, the 29RL. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Hey Will!
Hey guys!
Hey, how's it going?
It's going good. I'm excited to take a look at this Tracer. As you guys probably know, Tracer is one of our favorite trailers. We sell them at all 13 locations, so pretty much anywhere in the US we can, get you one.
And as soon as we see a brand new floor plan, we just get very, very excited.
Exactly, yeah.
Let's begin. Model is Tracer 29RLS. But the actual tip-to-tip length of this travel trailer is 33 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 7,243 pounds. And Will, the tongue weight?
774 pounds.
Always remember, you want to use weight distribution bars. It doesn't matter what your tow vehicle is. Right up here, we do have a nice slipper component power tongue jack. Love that. 2 20-pound propane tanks go here. And right there, your batteries go there. I love this. It's like a bubble. It's aerodynamic. It's a nice fiberglass front cap. Tracer. You do have your diamond plate rock guard right there. And you do have Furrion side cameras and backup cameras prepped. It's prepped for those cameras. You can get them by using our Amazon link down below. Right up here, we do have nice pass-through storage. And look at this. Slam latch doors on an ultra lightweight travel trailer with electric stabilizing jacks. Very nice feature. Right here we do have a nice D-ring, okay? Nice power awning with LED lights, and we will apologize about the wind, folks. Sorry about that. This is our last video of the day. We got to get it in. Ain't that right, Will?
That's right.
And then continuing on with the lipper component solid steps right there. Psh,
America.
Beer opener right there. Sorry, I messed that one up. You ready, Will?
Yep.
Psh, America. Right there. Extended season camping package and aluminum framing as well. Coming on down the side here. TV placement on the outside. And then look at these tires, Will. They're the Trailer Kings. I love those. ST225-75R15. And we have our Dexter axles right there. Speakers on the outside. Man, that wind's getting crazy,
It really is.
It
I'm going to
feels,
try to stand behind it.
yeah, it feels good, but we're sorry about the audio. We're going to hurry up, though. Wow. Kitchen on the outside. Did not expect that.
I didn't either.
Very nice feature. Come on, Will, let's hurry so we can go inside.
Okay.
Coming around the back, we do have a nice bumper for your stinky slinky storage, spare tire carrier, and it is prepped for a Furrion backup camera. Finishing up, 50 amp service right there, cable slide outs. Okay. Great place to dump your sewer.
Yeah, it is.
Right here's your hot water heater, low point drains, and then this, look at this, fully enclosed. Water
nice.
system, black tank, flush, cable, satellite, potable water fill, potable. And other side of that, nice storage. Well, Will, the outside of this travel trailer looks great, but the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
All right.
And we appreciate everybody who waits. And look, now it's not even windy.
I know, right?
That's the wind for you. Anyway, the wind blows.
All right, we'll start up front. Got the bedroom up here.
Hey, Will.
Yeah. America.
Keep on going.
Oh, look at that.
What's that?
Oh. I don't think
Wow.
we should show that on camera.
It's a dead frog, Will. What's wrong with you?
I thought it was alive at first.
Why would you show a murder scene?
And then the dining area, kitchen, and living area in the back. Where are we starting? In the back?
Can we have a moment of silence for Fred?
that his name?
It was his name.
Poor little guy.
You jerk. After we saved a frog yesterday.
We did save a frog yesterday.
You know what? I'm going to show that footage right there. Bing.
Okay.
That's us saving a frog yesterday. And then you're going to show his cousins twice removed down in Tampa.
Sorry.
Grave
I thought he was alive.
All right, well, let's get, well, we need to have a meeting with HR about your actions. Let's get started back here. Back here, we have the Allure.
Allure, yeah.
Yeah, very nice, comfortable leather theater seats. Right here, we got this. Lights up blue.
USB chargers.
And it kicks out to recline. And let me tell you, it's been a long, hot day. And nothing would be better to be sitting right here looking directly at the TV right there. Furrion soundbar with a Summit TV. And then here we have some drawers. And I don't think this is storage.
No, because of the kitchen.
Yep. And then over here we have 3 big windows. The valances look like Tracer valances. We're never a fan of those.
Yeah.
And then this, we got 4 storage things above. Nice.
Yeah.
And then this is a nice tri-cushion sofa.
Trifold?
No, it's not trifold. Pull-out bed.
Pull-out, okay.
It does have a pull-out bed. Yes. Cool. Notice, Will is 6'3".
Yep.
Decent head height.
Yeah.
For a travel trailer.
Right.
Not bad at all. And then over here is your dinette. And again, I actually don't have a problem with the valances. I don't like how they put that pattern in the dinette.
I agree, yeah.
You know, we do have storage underneath the dinette. Also, we have our favorite carpet underneath the dinette.
Yeah.
This does drop down to make a bed. And yeah, just really, really awesome. I'm excited about the kitchen. Don't show the kitchen.
Okay.
I'm excited about the kitchen. Well, it's now time for the MSRP. That kitchen's beautiful. Actually, this is the countertop Andre actually wanted.
Really?
But I like the countertop better with the cabinets that we got. MSRP on this travel trailer here is $45,030 MSRP. Sale price, as you can see there, we don't currently have a sale price, but we will be able to get everybody in America the best sale price on this travel trailer. Tell everybody how to do it.
They can call, they can text, they can email, they can FaceTime.
Hey, 301-906-0962. Or MattsRVReviews@gmail.com. Or the preferred way, the best way to get in contact with us is by going to MattsRVReviews.com and clicking one of the 3 contact tabs. If you're ready to buy this RV, don't even contact us. Click that first tab and somebody from General RV will make sure you get the best price in America. If you're not ready to buy this RV, perfect. Click that second tab. That sends an email to Will and myself and we'll be able to answer questions for you. Or if it's just generalized fan question, not even RV related, maybe sports related, whatever, click that third tab. And it doesn't matter what tab they pick. What's the one thing that every tab has in common?
They're going to get the best price in America.
And what's really exciting, doesn't matter where you live, there's a General RV close to you that sells this product.
That's right.
Will, let's continue the video.
All right. All right, so like Matt said, this kitchen is really like what makes this fifth wheel, I feel like.
Travel trailer.
I mean, travel trailer.
Not only that, ultralight travel trailer. That's what we have to remember in this.
Right.
This isn't the lacrosse. You want a premium one, it's the lacrosse.
Right.
So this is kicking butt and taking names.
That's right. So we'll start over here.
Yes.
Got some storage here I'll pass through. Nice big storage.
Mm-hmm.
We've got a window here on our campsite.
Yes.
Let in some nice natural light.
Mm-hmm.
Good backsplash and solid surface countertops.
Very nice.
Pretty cool. Over here. Oh, what am I doing? Got some storage down below as well.
Yes, sir.
And some drawers. Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot.
The tire pressure monitoring system.
Yep.
Coming with all prime times.
Right.
At General RV only, maybe?
I don't know.
Maybe we should say that just to get people to call.
Nice Furrion microwave there.
Yes, sir.
3-burner Furrion cooktop with the glass top and the blue lights. And the Furrion oven as well.
Yes, sir.
The drawer below. And then a Dometic 2-way fridge freezer. Works off of both gas and electric.
Very nice.
That's right. All right, on the island, here is where your sink is. So you have a nice single or faucet, nice faucet, single bowl sink. Again, continue with the solid surface countertops.
Yes.
Some storage down below here, and a drawer right there.
Very nice.
There's something. Oh no, that's just the plumbing. I thought maybe there was something on the other side.
Nope, but we have some other storage right there.
Yep. A little bit of pantry space there, and there as well.
Nice. It's now time for the tall test, Will.
Okay. Uh-oh, it's radial shower.
Oh, wow. Nope.
Yeah.
Not gonna pass the tall test.
Nope.
Right here we do have the medicine cabinet. Okay. Nice little sink. A little bit of storage below. But Will, this is not good.
It's gonna be plastic. I can already tell. Man, did they done messed up?
You done messed up, Primetime. We're canceling you now. No. Again, the good news is it's in a great placement. I got plenty of arm space.
Yep.
And you can always swap this out for a porcelain toilet.
That's right.
Finishing up with the bedroom. Okay. Walk around space. 2 entries. 1 entry from this way. Another entry from the bathroom. You got this over here.
Same on the other side.
Yep. Nice storage on both sides of the bed. Is there any power USB right there?
Yep, both.
Okay. A TV is prepped for behind your head.
Cool.
And it is prepped for a second air conditioning unit right
Is
here.
it?
Yep. Which today would work very well.
Yeah.
And very nice storage underneath the bed.
That's right.
And as great as it is, Will, and as nice as this, that's it. That's the review. Now, before everybody leaves, it's now time we give you 3 things we love about this travel trailer and 3 things we dislike about it. Will, what's first?
3 things we dislike?
Yes, I got one right here, and you can't even see it.
Okay.
Do you know what it is?
No.
This is so dumb.
Oh, yeah.
Why do you need this to hold the door open to close the bathroom door? Does that make sense or no?
Yeah.
It's really, really peculiar and stupid, and I don't like that.
Right.
That is one. Number 2, do you have a big one or no?
No, I don't actually.
Okay, I had number 2 and 3 out here.
Okay.
So number 2 is that there's no fireplace right here. I feel like that is very stupid. They 100% should have had a fireplace.
And they don't take up that much room on the other side. Like, you still could have had the kitchen.
Right, exactly. We've seen plenty of other units that still have the kitchen. Yep, exactly. So that is 2. Oh, and number 3 is just going to be, it's not even, like, this isn't even that bad. I could live with that. Number 3 is going to be the pattern on the cushion.
I agree.
And the carpet.
Right.
But again, this is all just minor stuff.
Yep.
It's the seasoning. It's not the steak. This is still Wagyu. It's still good steak. Sometimes you just need a little bit of salt and pepper on it.
Yep, that's right.
That was fast. I was ready for that. So that's 3 things we dislike about it. Now it's time for 3 things we love about this travel trailer. Do you want to go first or me?
Well, I have the obvious, but...
Tell me the obvious.
Okay. This kitchen.
Yes.
I feel like this is the best part of the trailer. I mean,
yes.
Nice big island, tons of counter space.
Nice countertops in an ultra lightweight.
It's crazy.
It's very crazy. Very crazy and nice. Number 2 and 3 for me is outside.
Okay.
Okay. We hate that there's no fireplace, but we'll just talk about it. I love that it does give you an outside kitchen on a rear living room travel trailer.
Yep.
Okay. That is such a nice feature, and I really, really like that.
Yeah, I do too. You gonna open it again or no?
I mean, I guess so, Will.
Yeah.
You're making me work hard now. You know, again, you'll get outside kitchens on almost every bunkhouse, but to get them on rear living's unique and awesome.
It is.
And number 3, Will, is going to be the combination of Furrion and Lipper components. Love the solid steps. Love the Lipper component stabilizing jacks. Love the Furrion side cameras. And I love the Lipper component power tongue jack. All creature comforts that makes an ultra lightweight travel trailer more luxury, more premium, more nice and easy to use. Well, that's it, Will. That's the review. Thank you absolutely everybody so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about this travel trailer, stand over here. Please call me, text me, send me an email. It is MattsRVReviews@gmail.com. Why'd we come outside?
I don't know.
freaking wind. We'll stay right here. Or the best thing to do is go to the website, MattsRVReviews.com, and click one of the 3 contact tabs. If you're in the market, okay, goodness gracious. Guys, we do work at a dealership.
They don't have time for our stupid videos.
If you're in the market for a travel trailer like this, in a few seconds, we are going to put videos right there and there for you to watch. Will, is there any, and those are going to be comparable units to this one.
Yep.
Will, is there anything you want to say?
Yeah, so I hope you guys really like this video. Please leave down in the comments below 3 things you like, 3 things you dislike. We do have a really good relationship with Primetime.
Yep.
They're always watching comments, listening to feedback, so
Yep.
they will listen to yours.
Especially Tom Zachary.
That's right. Make sure to also smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Thank you, absolutely everybody, so much for watching, and we love you, Tom. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.